Amsoil Signature Series 5W20 synthetic motor oil is the ultimate protection for your engine. This revolutionary motor oil provides superior wear protection and fuel economy, reducing oil consumption and eliminating sludge buildup on critical engine components. Formulated with advanced synthetic technology, it resists heat breakdown better than conventional oil, so it keeps your engine running cleaner and smoother for a longer period of time. It also increases efficiency, meaning you'll be able to go farther with less fuel used. Amsoil was founded on innovation, beginning with our introduction of the world's first API-qualified synthetic motor oil. By ignoring commonly accepted limitations and refusing to stop short of success, we set a new benchmark for lubricant performance. These same principles continue to guide our product development, resulting in Signature Series synthetic motor oil. Signature Series is not only the best oil we have ever made, it's also better than any competitor oil we have tested. Some may claim that Signature Series is over-engineered. Perfect. It's not for everyone. It's for those who want the absolute best engine protection, and it delivers.